Manus AI versus Gemini. Which AI is smarter? Choosing between Manus AI and Gemini raises an interesting question about what intelligence actually means in the context of AI tools. Both platforms are genuinely impressive in their respective areas, but they define and demonstrate intelligence in very different ways. Manus AI shows its intelligence through autonomous action and the ability to execute complex workflows independently, or Gemini demonstrates intelligence through broad reasoning, multimodal understanding, and deep integration across Google's ecosystem of products and services. This comparison breaks down how each platform performs so you can decide which one is smarter for your specific needs. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that demonstrates its intelligence through action rather than conversation. It can independently plan, research, execute, and deliver results across complex multi-step tasks without requiring the user to guide each stage of the process. Its ability to operate across web browsers, code execution environments, and file systems simultaneously reflects a kind of practical intelligence that is distinct from raw reasoning capability. Manus excels when the measure of intelligence is the ability to take a complex goal and work toward it independently with minimal supervision. Manus AI is best suited for power users and professionals who measure AI intelligence by its ability to get things done autonomously across demanding and multi-layered workflows. Gemini is Google's flagship AI model, designed to demonstrate intelligence across text, images, audio, video, and code within a single unified system. Its multimodal capabilities allow it to reason across different types of information simultaneously, which opens up a wide range of use cases that text-only models cannot handle. Gemini integrates deeply with Google's ecosystem, including Search, Gmail, Docs, and Drive, making it a genuinely intelligent assistant for users who live within Google's productivity tools. Its reasoning capabilities across mathematics, science, coding, and language place it among the most capable general-purpose AI models available. Gemini is best suited for individuals, students, professionals, and businesses who want a broadly intelligent AI assistant with strong multimodal reasoning and deep Google ecosystem integration. Feature comparison: Manus AI and Gemini demonstrate intelligence in fundamentally different ways. Manus is smarter when intelligence means autonomous action, workflow execution, and independent task completion. Gemini is smarter when intelligence means broad reasoning across multiple modalities, deep knowledge across domains, and seamless integration with a wide range of productivity tools. The smarter AI is whichever one applies its intelligence to the problems you actually need to solve. Final thoughts. If the smartest AI for your needs is one that can independently plan and execute complex tasks across tools and environments without supervision, Manus AI offers an impressive demonstration of practical intelligence. If the smartest AI for your needs is one that reasons broadly across text, images, code, and data while integrating deeply with the tools you use every day, Gemini delivers one of the most capable and versatile AI experiences available. Intelligence in AI is less about a single score and more about which platform applies its capabilities most effectively to your work.